Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this lacy pattern. This is really nice and easy to knit. For the pattern we need to have the multiple of 6 stitches plus 2 plus 1, and you can use any kind of rib or edge as a start. But what we have to do in the right side of the pattern, we are going to start by take the first one, then slip 1 stitch like that. For the next 5 stitches we are going to do it the increase. It means that we have to grab the yarn twice like this, again 1 2. It means that we are going to increase the stitches 5 times. If you look at here, this is the edge, this is a slip stitch, and I made 5 increasing stitches. Now it's time to repeat the pattern by slip 1 stitch, then again increase the stitches by 1 2 3 4 5, and the last one just slip stitch and the edge. This is the row 1 and you are in the right side of the work. Row 2, what we have to do, we are going to take the first one as a edge, then pull the first stitch like that. When it comes to that five stitches, we are going to first of all take all 5 like this, take it back in the needle again. Now you have 5 stitches, then you are going to yarn over, then pull 5 stitches together. Before we take it out, we are going to yarn over again and pull all stitches again together, then yarn over and pull this stitch. As you can see here, you have again 5 stitches. This is the first one. You pull, yarn over, 2 3 4 5, and then let's repeat again. As you can see here, I have 5 stitches with increasing and 1 with a slip stitch. It's easy for me to take first these 5 like that, then put it back in the needle. Before you start, yarn over, pull these 5 stitches together, yarn over again, pull these stitches together and yarn over. So it means we have 5 again, 1 2 3 4 5. Then when it comes to that stitch, we're going to pull, and the last one like that. Row 3 for the pattern, just we are going to knit all stitches like that. The pattern should look like that. Row 4, just normal. We are going to pull all stitches. The pattern should look like that. Now we are in row 5. We are going to, as you can see here, the pattern start like this. Now it's time to bring this like a bubble in the middle. What we have to do in row 5, we are going to take the first one, then start by increase the stitches 1, 2 and 3, like that. 1, 2, 3. Then we start by make slip stitch and repeat the pattern like row 1 by increasing 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slip stitch. For the last 3, we are going to have again the increased 1, 2 and 3 and the last stitches. Row 6. What we have to do in row 6, take the first one, then take these 3, 1, 2, 3, take it back again here, then yarn over and pull these 3 stitches together like that, then yarn over. So it means we have again 3. When it comes to the stitches, as we are going to pull like that. Now we are in the middle again by 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Take this 5 again and like row 1 repeat. Row 2 like row 2, just yarn over, pull all stitches, yarn over and again pull all stitches, yarn over and pull stitches like this. When it comes to the last 3, we are going to take it again. As you can see here in this row, row 6, the difference between the pattern is from the front, in the front and beginning at the end of the row. In the middle is exactly the same. But what we have to do, yarn over, pull these 3 stitches together, yarn over and do the edge. Row 7, what we have to do, we are going to pull all the stitches, oh, there is a mistake here. like that. And row 8, we are going to pull all the stitches. As you can see here, now you have the pattern like this. If you repeat row 1 to row 8, after a few rows you are going to have the pattern like this. This is front side and this is the back side of the work, but you have to make sure row 9 again you have to repeat like row 1, slip the first one, increase the 5, slip 1, increase the 5, slip, and just exactly like row 1 and repeat the pattern. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.